Today I was removing this ponderosa pine out of the lake house and had a small drop zone next to a fence where I needed to place the top. The tree had a pretty decent lean into it, had some decay 30 feet below me, and was very flexible. Because of this, I didn't want to climb any higher or stand on the backside to push the top over. The top had two bigger limbs on the backside, making the top have a lot of back weight. As you can see, I struggled for a little while, but I finally got it to go over.
Oh, woo! Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, that was so tough. Man, that was, oh my adrenaline is going. Yeah, there's a decay spot like 40 feet below me.